Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
In this video, you will learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Afrikaans. Hi everybody, my name is Ingrid. Welcome to the 800 Core Afrikaans Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Afrikaans. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we will include the previous lessons at the end. So after you've learned the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you've learned in the previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at afrikaanspod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally master Afrikaans. Okay, let's get started. First is vandag, today. Vandag, vandag, today. Die parade is vandag. The parade is today. Die parade is vandag. Gister, yesterday. Gister, gister, yesterday. Daar was 'n groot ongeluk gister. There was a big accident yesterday. Daar was 'n groot ongeluk gister. Môre, tomorrow. Môre, môre, tomorrow. Die brief sal môre aankom. The letter will arrive tomorrow. Die brief sal môre aankom. Week, week, week. Week, week. Die klas gaan volgende week begin. The class will begin next week. Die klas gaan volgende week begin. Jaar, year, jaar. Year. Die kunstenaars wat die jaar gekies is ongelooflik. The artists selected this year are incredible. Die kunstenaars wat die jaar gekies is ongelooflik. Sekonde, second. Sekonde, sekonde, second. Net 'n sekonde. Just a second. Net 'n sekonde. Minuut, minute, minuut, minuut, minute. Gee my asseblief 'n minuut. Give me a minute, please. Gee my asseblief 'n minuut. Uur, hour, uur, uur, hour. Eendag het 24 uur. One day has 24 hours. Eendag het 24 uur. Klok, klok, klok. Klok, klok. Die muurklok hang op die muur. The wall clock is hanging on the wall. Die muurklok hang op die muur. Uur, o'clock. Uur, uur, o'clock. Dis om 8 uur. It's at 8 o'clock. Dis om 8 uur. kalender, calendar, kalender, kalender, calendar. Dis tyd om die kalender te verander. It's time to change the calendar. Dis tyd om die kalender te verander. Maandag, Monday. Maandag, maandag, Monday. Ek begin maandag met 'n nuwe werk. I'll start a new job on Monday. Ek begin maandag met 'n nuwe werk. Dinsdag, Tuesday. Dinsdag, dinsdag. Tuesday. Dinsdag is die besigste dag vir my. Tuesday is the busiest day for me. Dinsdag is die besigste dag vir my. Woensdag, Wednesday. Woensdag, woensdag, Wednesday. Ek stel voor, jy gaan vroeg woensdagoggend om die kar in te vat. I suggest you take the car in early on Wednesday. Ek stel voor, jy gaan vroeg woensdagoggend om die kar in te vat. Donderdag, Thursday. Donderdag, donderdag, Thursday. Die donderdag sal die mees belangrikste dag van my lewe wees. This Thursday will be the most important day of my life. Die donderdag sal die mees belangrikste dag van my lewe wees. Vrydag, Friday. Vrydag, Vrydag, Friday. Ek gaan teen Vrydag klaar wees. I will be finished by Friday. Ek gaan teen Vrydag klaar wees. Saterdag, Saturday. Saterdag, Saterdag, Saturday. Is jy besig die Saterdag? Are you busy this Saturday? Is jy besig die Saterdag? Sondag, Sunday. Sondag, Sondag, Sunday. Ek gesels met my ma elke Sondag. I chat with my mom every Sunday. Ek gesels met my ma elke Sondag. Doen, do, doen, doen, do. Ek sal my huiswerk later doen. I will do my homework later. Ek sal my huiswerk later doen. Gaan, go. Gaan, aan, go. Ek gaan vroeg bed toe elke dag. I go to bed early every day. Ek gaan vroeg bed toe elke dag. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at afrikaanspod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time. Tot ziens! Hello. Hallo. 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 Hallo, aangename kennis. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Hallo, aangename kennis. Verskoon my. Excuse me. Verskoon my. Verskoon my. Excuse me. Verskoon my, het jy my hond gesien? Excuse me, have you seen my dog? Verskoon my, het jy my hond gesien? Ek is jammer. I'm sorry. Ek is jammer. Ek is jammer. I'm sorry. Ek is jammer ek is laat. I'm sorry I'm late. Ek is jammer ek is laat. Goeienag. Good night. Goeienag. Goeienag. Good night. Goeienag. Ek sal binnekort met jou praat. Good night. I'll talk to you soon. Goeienag. Ek sal binnekort met jou praat. Aangename kennis. Nice to meet you. Aangename kennis. Aangename kennis. Nice to meet you. Aangename kennis. Kom asseblief binne. Nice to meet you. Please come in. Aangename kennis. Kom asseblief binne. Hoe gaan dit met jou? How are you? Hoe gaan dit met jou? Hoe gaan dit met jou? How are you? Dit gaan goed. Hoe gaan dit met jou? I'm doing very well. How are you? Dit gaan goed. Hoe gaan dit met jou? Ja. Yes. Ja. Ja. Yes. Ja, dit is waar. Yes, it is true. Ja, dit is waar. Nee. No. Nee. Nee. No. Nee, dankie. No thanks. Nee, dankie. Dankie. Thank you. Dankie. Dankie. Thank you. Dankie, maar ek het dit nie bestel nie. Thank you, but I didn't order it. Dankie, maar ek het dit nie bestel nie. Ek is Ingrid. I'm Ingrid. Ek is Ingrid. Ek is Ingrid. I'm Ingrid. Ek is Sarah. I'm Sarah. Ek is Sarah. Totsiens. Goodbye. Totsiens. Totsiens. Goodbye. Totsiens. Sien jou later. Goodbye. See you later. Totsiens. Sien jou later. Sleg. Bad. Sleg. Sleg. Bad. Daardie is nie sleg nie. That one's not bad. Daardie is nie sleg nie. Goeie. Good. Goeie. Goeie. Good. Sy is 'n goeie persoon. She is a good person. Sy is 'n goeie persoon. Mooi. Pretty. Mooi. Mooi. Pretty. Jy is so mooi. You are so pretty. Jy is so mooi. Lelik. Ugly. Lelik. Lelik. Ugly. Lelike gesig. Ugly face. Lelike Gesig. Maklik. Easy. Maklik. Maklik. Easy. Die lewe is nie altyd maklik nie. Life is not always easy. Die lewe is nie altyd maklik nie. Moeilik. Difficult. Moeilik. Moeilik. Difficult. Dit is moeilik om wit meubels skoon te hou. It is difficult to keep white furniture clean. Dit is moeilik om wit meubels skoon te hou. Naby. Near. Naby. Naby. Near. Die seep lê naby die spieël. The soap is near the mirror. Die seep lê naby die spieël. Ver. Far. Ver. Far. Die bioskoop is ver weg van ons huis. The cinema is far away from our house. Die bioskoop is ver weg van ons huis. Klein. Small. Klein. Klein. Small. 'n klein bier asseblief. A small beer, please. 'n klein bier asseblief. Well done. In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at afrikaanspod101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversations. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.